What is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see by the title, thumbnail, and the video you guys are watching now, I am building my PC. I've been using my MacBook Pro for so long now. I was like, you know what? Let me get an actual PC instead, because editing videos is going to be so much easier. Not that I do anything too crazy, but I was like, you know what? Let me just make the investment to get an actual gaming PC. So these are all the parts that I have picked out. Well, not really me. My friend picked out. To be honest, I don't know nothing about PC. That's why I'm having my friend come over and building it for me. All right, guys. JD finally showed up.
Let's start with the case. It slipped out my head.
It's bro.
Alright, that's not bad.
You're breaking it before you even started.
Alright, let's go. Why you got shoes in the house, bro?
He just socks.
No, right there.
Bro.
You're Asian, bro.
This guy.
Asian people don't have shoes in the house. You already opened it?
No. I actually didn't.
Dog. I don't know if that's a good sign or not.
A few moments later.
This shit, bro. Hold on.
Three weeks later. Many months later.
Bro, no, your stuff is stuck, bro.
Just ripped it out the box.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh, I'm dumb, bro.
You're dumb.
No, wait, no. I think they tied it. Hold on.
You sure it's stuck? You just woke up, I can tell.
Bro, you need to be in the video too, bro. You gotta act like you're doing something.
I'm gonna pretend like you're me. I'm there for a moral support.
Come here, let's see you do.
Bro, I don't want to break
No,
it.
let's try.
I don't want to break it.
Don't drop it. If the pins break, bro, if one pin broke, you can't fix it no more. Exactly like that. Here we go.
This video's gonna be funny. Oh, don't you need to use like a thermal paste for this? Or does it come-
Whoa, did it not come? Yeah, that's pre-pasted.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was gonna say, they scammed you. They didn't pre-paste you a thermal paste at least.
Don't worry, JD. When I make my first meal, I'll tell you to buy whatever car you want.
All right.
I got you.
I'll buy a Lambo.
Price ain't an issue for Twan.
Okay.
Is this what he's supposed to nail it in?
Yeah. How are you supposed to do this, dumbass?
I don't know. Are you cold?
No. All right, bro.
What?
I can't put it in. That was... Am I actually shaking?
You got goosebumps. Damn, bro. Here, let me do it.
No, don't worry, bro. Mine's broken too. No.
Oh, wait. Where's the screw? Bro, where's the screw?
You try screwing in without a screw.
Don't worry, buddy. I got this.
Alright, there we go. Come, I've been getting a lot of money, bro.
How much? How much are we talking?
Bro, over 50.
$50 or $5?
50K.
You call Isaac.
Let me call Isaac, man.
You want me to FaceTime him?
Yeah, let's see what he can do.
As well. 3 fans
Oh wait, I can't even FaceTime him. He doesn't have an iPhone.
Wait, why? You can't face... I don't have his number. Oh, yeah,
He has an Android.
I have his Instagram. Let me call him.
Hello?
Bro, are you asleep?
Yeah.
Wake your ass up. Hey.
Oh, it's one.
JD's gonna FaceTime me on Instagram. We have a question for you.
Why FaceTime? Just call me, bro.
Because it's a visual, you have to see it to see what's going on.
Yeah, Isaac, you gotta see it first.
Isaac, no, I need your help. I'll give you supervisor.
It's it's for PC, bro.
It's a PC. You're the nerd.
Isaac,
Yeah.
do you know anything about the new release they made? The new AIO?
Yeah.
The Titan 360? Okay, how do I install that one, bro? I never done that one.
So you have to remove the motherboard back bracket.
Yeah, that's already removed. Wait,
Okay,
did
good.
I already believed I removed it? Did I not?
Because I think it has a
Yeah.
bracket.
No.
That thing. I'm with.
No, this one doesn't come with a back plate for it.
Isaac, just come over.
Yeah, Isaac, just come here.
Just come over.
Oh my god, I don't want to wake up.
Don't you want that food time?
Fuck, Isaac, we need your help, bro.
Isaac. You need to be a team player, man.
No?
Oh,
Isaac, this one is so much different, bro. It comes pre-installed and everything. This is not your regular AIO. Look at it.
No, okay, your motherboard should come with another bracket. Just replace that if it's not fitting.
No, bro, there's no other bracket that comes in the motherboard.
Bro, but this should be like a.
There's already a back.
It doesn't come with anything else?
No, that's why I'm confused too, bro.
Oh my god, bro. If I come over there and there's a bracket.
You hurry up, bro. You're coming over.
JD got to work.
I gotta go to work.
Oh my god.
He works at 4.
He called. He ended the call. I think he's coming over.
He doesn't even know where I live.
You coming over or what? Let me see. No, because there's nothing. That's what confuses me, bro. Your stuff doesn't come with the exact stuff that's needed. Let me see. Yeah, they don't give you another bracket. My AIO came with a bracket.
He's driving 40 minutes. Send him this address. Just text him this.
You coming or what? Let me see for you.
I actually did not think he was gonna come over. Just send him this.
Oh yeah, no, I have your stuff. I can just go.
If he actually comes over, I'll be surprised. I only say come over as a joke.
You want him to come over or what?
You know how to fix it?
I can give it a try, but the thing is though, that's what confuses
Actually,
me.
no, I feel bad, though. It's fine, I feel bad.
Because there's no AIO bracket already installed for you.
Nah, tell him don't come over. I feel bad.
Okay.
Unless you need him to, but
No.
I feel bad. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So this is gonna be day 2 of the recording. Yesterday, when JD and I were building my PC, or I should say, when JD was building my PC, we had to stop midway because he had to get ready and go to work. So we didn't finish yesterday. He said that he was gonna take home the PC and work on it when he get back from work. So that's what he did, and now the PC is all good. So I'm about to pick it up, but before I do pick up my PC, I was going to go to the bank and pay him for his time. I offered to pay for him. He said, no, I don't want your money, but he doesn't have a choice. I'm gonna pay him regardless. So I'm currently on my way to the bank. How much should I pay him? Should I pay him $1? Alright guys, I made it. Hold on. Come on. Don't hit the camera.
No, it's gonna hit the camera.
Fuck. It's fine. No, we can put it back. There you go.
Alright, Windows install everything.
Okay.
But the drivers, I installed the graphics drivers, but you have to install the motherboard.
Alright. Alright, here you are.
I don't need money.
Bro, here you are. JD. Bro, this guy don't want to take my money. Bro, just take it.
No, bro.
Bro, it's for the
bro.
time.
No, bro.
Take it.
It's okay, bro.
Okay, for at least take 20 for the windows.
It's alright.
For 20, at least take.
I didn't install I didn't activate it. I installed it. It's free. You can activate it. I'll send you the link to buy the activation. I wasn't having enough time on that one.
I got you.
But I'm gonna send you the video on how to install it. But if you need help, call me tonight after work.
I got
I
you.
can help you walk through.
I appreciate you, sir.
Alright,
Freaking Asian, man. They never want to take your money. Can't be me, though. If someone's offering money, man, give me that. You know what I mean? Alright, let's go home.
Can I show